Hey guys, welcome back to the Scrap Avenue. Today I'm going to show you a card using the Hello Kitty Greetings Cricut cartridge. And the image we're using is on page 54 in your handbook. So it looks like that. So now we're going to go through the card. This is a 5.5 by 8.5 inch card with the fold on the left side. And we'll go through all the dimensions, and I'll show you the papers and the stacks that they came from. Hello Kitty is cut at 4 inches. And the top piece and the bottom piece are both cut at 4 inches by 2 5/8 inches. And the top piece right here looks like this, and it's glittery. And that comes from the Die Cuts with a View, the Linen Closet Mat Stack. The bottom piece right here looks like this, and it is glittery as well. Comes from the Die Cuts with a View, the Linen Closet Cardstock Mat Stack. And I don't know if you can see on the umbrella, there we go. There's a light pattern on there that's got flowers on there, and that is what that looks like. And that comes from the Die Cuts with a View, the Cafe Mediterranean Mat Stack. So then we've got the raincoat, which is also a glittery paper. And it looks like this, and that comes from the Die Cuts with a View Citrus Cardstock Mat Stack. And then we've got the little rain boots right here. This is what the paper looks like, and that comes from the Die Cuts with a View, the Cafe Mediterranean stack. And for the sentiment, I used the Love Language Cuttlebug die. This is actually an embossing folder and a die together. We've also got some bling on here, right here, and for that I used the Paper Studio gemstones. And then there's also the bling right here on the umbrella. And for that I used rhinestones. And this is from the Michaels Dollar Bin, and the brand is called Studio 18. So let me just give you a close-up of the card. So that is what the card looks like. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching. Please check out my website at thescrapavenue.com for more cards and for more inspiration. See you guys next time.